Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to add local files on Spotify. So let's begin. First of all, open your Spotify application. So here on the left top, click on this profile icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Here, there's the option of apps and devices. Click on it. So here you can see the option of local audio files. Tap on it. So now you have just allowed the local files to be in Spotify. Now go to your library. So as you can see in the second option, local files has appeared. Here you'll be able to find all your local files and songs in Spotify. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.